Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get the best out of Bing's image search feature. So for those who don't know, if you just go to your Microsoft Edge browser and this icon like thing up over here, you'll be getting this Bing interface, and here we can ask anything, and even you can upload images over here and it will give us a AI generated response. So this feature has been there for around like a week or 10 days I guess, and many of you would be using the normal more balanced way. All right, so this gives us very minimal response. Like here you can see, right, it says it's a friendly chat. So let's suppose say that I'm going with this Amazon, okay, Amazon supply chain diagram. So if I just now upload this Amazon supply chain and ask to just summarize with headings, so this is the response that I get, just 4 lines. And where is the headings? There is no headings over here. I asked it to basically summarize this with headings, but no headings, just 4 lines of text, not 5, it's just 4 lines of text, and most of them are irrelevant. The background is white, I already know that. So you will be getting this, but to improvise this, what you need to do is you need to select the more creative method. So here you will be having more balanced, more precise, and more creative, and the default one is going to be more balanced, I think, which is the worst mode to use, I guess. I even don't know why they are having this as the default one, because majority of the users won't even change, they won't change this thing. So they will just directly use the more balanced way and they will search an image and they will just get disappointed by the result that they get. You know, like a person who wants like 2, 4 or 5 paragraphs out of this image, if he or she gets only 4 lines, you know, that's a big disappointment. And I even don't know if they would be aware of the other 2 modes available. Like, so what you are doing is you need to click on this more creative option. All right, and I will just upload the same image, okay, same Amazon image, and I will also give the same prompt, summarize tab, okay, summarize with headings. Yeah, I'll just send it. So here you can see the response. You know, this is like I would say 1000 times better than this 4 lines of response over here. So in that image, as I showed you earlier, we are having like 3 things: standard shipping, same delivery, Prime Now, and our Bing has now beautifully, you know, put a heading for that, 4 bullet points, heading, 4 bullet points, heading, 4 bullet points, and here we have 4 lines, you know. And this is the reason why I'm so surprised by Bing. Why are they having this normal mode as a default mode? Yeah, this normal balanced mode is a default one. I think they should have this more creative as the default mode. Seriously, yeah, this is that good. And let's just compare with another one image also, okay. You will see the staggering difference between these 2 modes. So I'm having this essay about global warming, just a plain paragraph. So I will just ask the same thing. I will just ask each to, you know, just summarize, same summarize. You can use this for so many things with headings. You can even ask Bing to solve your mathematical problems, describe some place or something like that. So this is just the use cases that I'm going with. So I'm going with summarize with headings, the default balanced mode, sending it, and I'm going to do the same with my creative mode, okay, summarize with headings, and I'm just sending it again. So here you can see the differences, right? In normal Bing we are having this, like this is the normal mode, we are having this just 4. Why is it always giving 4? I don't know why is it obsessed with the number 4, just 4 headings and a line for each headings. But here you can see, right, this thing, the more creative mode gives us these many things: heading, heading, and a bullet points, heading with some bullet points. You know, it's so good to use. So in case if you are using Bing AI responses, make sure that you are checking out this to creative mode. Not only in images, I'm also asking you to just, you know, use this creative mode often rather than using this balanced mode. So that's the video, guys, and mine is a programming channel. Do check the playlist. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot, and CRUD operations. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.